Thanks for tuning in to Burning Cereal. My name's Mike, and some of you that know me know that I've been eating low carb, a keto diet. I've lost 45 pounds over the span of some time, and I still like to eat nice, delicious food. So what I'm going to make for you today is a no sugar, low carb, keto friendly blueberry muffin. It's going to be amazing. But hey, what goes into it? Let me tell you. Unsweetened applesauce, 3 eggs at room temperature, blueberries, of course, baking soda, coconut oil, coconut flour, almond flour. We're using stevia as our sweetener, baking powder, vanilla extract, and salt. We're going to whip it all together. It's super easy, and as easy as... Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to mix together our almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, salt, and baking soda. And we'll just put them all together in a bowl, mix them together, and set it aside. Okay, now we're going to mix our sweetener, our coconut oil, our eggs, applesauce, and vanilla extract. Now on the coconut oil, you want to microwave it down so it's melted before you add it. Okay, so I melted down the coconut oil. I did it it was 40 seconds actually, but I did it 10 seconds at a time. So it didn't get crazy, but it is melted down. I already put my ingredients in the bowl. I'm going to mix them all together. Then I'm going to use a hand mixer and mix them all together some more. All right, so now we're going to mix our dry ingredients we put together earlier with the blueberries and everything we just mixed together with the coconut oil and such. And get it all combined really well. Okay, so it's all mixed together really well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit for 5 minutes and let all the powders absorb all the moisture and the flavor. In the meantime, I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. All right, we're going to take our muffin mixture, put it in the muffin pan. Hey, what do you know? You can use a nonstick spray, or you can use the muffin cups, which is what we're going to do, okay? And we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 25 minutes until golden brown on the top. We're going to test it with a toothpick, a wooden toothpick inside, make sure nothing comes out with the toothpick to know it's done. All right, 25 minutes in the oven. It came out golden brown on top. We've got our wooden toothpick. We want to insert it, make sure that it comes out clean, which it did. It's good. We're going to let them cool off and take a taste. All right, they're done. They're made. They're prepared. They look beautiful. Let's give it a shot. It's pretty good. Better than I thought it would be. Moister than I thought it would be. And the flavor is really delicious. Of course, for me, if I'm gonna have a muffin, I'm gonna cover it in butter, which I will do in a minute, but give these a shot, make them at home. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and don't forget to check out the 220 other videos we have. They're all fun, they're all good food. Until next time, we'll see you later.